Listen, you're at the tea party. You have to behave yourself and mind your manners. Now, listen, you can't come off of there. You might fall, so we have to stay over here. Okay. Now, what kind of tea do you want? Wait a second. Where are you going to sit at? Okay, here. Now, sit here. Now, come on. Now. There we go. Now, we're at the tea party. You want some tea? Yeah. You want some tea? Here you go. There. Delicious. That was so good. That was delicious, wasn't it? Do you want some tea? You want some? Uh-oh. We have kittens at a tea party. We made a tea party today for the kittens. Oh, okay, she said I'm gonna come back over here. Cute. Oh, look. Hold on, you can't come over here to the table. You might hurt yourself. No, man. Yep. You're busy. You're keeping me busy. There she's drinking her tea. Drink your tea. Now, let's move this out of the way. There we go. Now, go over there and enjoy the tea party. I know there's one more, but if I reach down to get him, I'm scared they're gonna jump off. Let me see where he is. Oh, he's right under my feet. I'm gonna see if I can get him. Oh, crap, he walked away. Now, if I could just get y'all occupied, I'll go get the other baby. Oh, he went way over there now. Don't worry, I'm not gonna let them eat any of this food. They're just smelling stuff. But this one right here is a handful. She is a handful. We're making a tea party. We're just pretending. But we're gonna do a tea theme this month. Uh-oh. I think she burped. You are gonna fall off here. I might have to put you down. Look at the unicorn. See? Okay, let somebody else get some time on the video. This is a little girl with a half face. All of that'll probably darken on one side of her face. You can just Google half-face ragdolls and you'll see what I mean. Now, she does have white feet. This is the boy. That's a boy. And he's pretty big, isn't he? Both of those boys are pretty big. Now there is another white boy. And he is over here with his mama. He's over there. Oh, goodness. Don't worry, I'm not gonna let them eat any of this food. Hey. But I just wanted to make a kitten tea party. See? Did you stick your hand in the frosting? No, she didn't, did she? Surely not. Surely you didn't do it. Now, I would like to get the boy over here. The other boy. Uh-oh, did you spill the tea? Here's the boy. Now, this is old Lynch boy. Look at that old fat belly on him. He's so cute, isn't he? He said, I don't do tea parties, lady. He's more of like a macho type of a boy. He doesn't really enjoy going to tea parties. Do, 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 do. No. No. You like tea parties, though? Yeah? Don't fall over here. I'll cry and cry if you do it. She's gonna drink some more tea. She's drinking her tea. You're good at the tea party. You know your fancy manners and stuff. What is he doing? Hello, you. Hi. Hi. It's invisible tea. Have you ever tried invisible tea before? It's invisible. Anybody can try it anytime they want to. Because it's invisible. Look how big he is. He's heavy too. Okay, buddy. We need to get your other brother up here, don't we? If you listen, you can hear the mama talking to her baby. Oh, there he is. Look. He's down there. I'm going to see if I can grab him. Got him. Come join the tea party. Sorry I'm late, you guys. Sorry I'm late to the tea party, you guys. But I finally made it. Oh, look at all the great desserts. Let me get some tea. Here's your tea, okay? Now, we have 5 kittens in the tea party. Uh-oh, you got a little piece of dirt on your tail. Uh-oh, she spilled the tea again. She is real good at spilling the tea. Did you spill the tea? Oh, my stars. Okay, I need to get you some more tea then. Who spilled it? She's trying to sit in there, isn't she? But she's not gonna fit. Oh, he sat on the plate. Look, he sat in the little saucer. Let me see. I bet you can probably sit in this one. can sit in that one. Hmm? I know she's gonna sit in it. Oh no, he ate the cookie. Oh no, he ate the cookie. I don't know why that cracked me up. Now I'm gonna throw all this food away. I can't be eating these sweets like this. I just made it for this party. Yeah, 'cause everybody wants to have a kitten tea party. You guys are getting real close to the edge. I knew she's gonna sit in that. Or he. Oh dear, you're making me nervous, my darling. Hey, we didn't get you on video. Yeah, let's get your close-up. This is the one that was gone for so long in the beginning of the video. He was hanging out with his mama. You want to sit on the teacup? Oh, you're too big for it. I need to back up or something. I can't get a full screen on here. Oh, goodness. Go over here so we can get you on the video. See? These are 5 ragdolls. And, oh my goodness gracious. What is that? Now, let's move this out of the way. Here. Now you have more room. She likes the teacups, don't she? She's always tinkering with the teacups. Okay, well, I guess as long as they're staying on the table, I'll keep videoing. Is that how you drink your tea? You sit it and drink it at the same time, huh? Oh, I think your mom's coming to the tea party, you guys. You gonna come to the tea party, you guys? I mean, Mom? Okay, I'll get them down, Mama.